If you've been thinking about upgrading your quilting setup, this is the kind of opportunity that doesn't come around often. High-end machines at a heavily discounted price. Here at Montavilla Sewing Centers, we just got our hands on a limited number of open stock Viking Epic Quilt 97 machines, originally from JoyOS, and we're able to offer them at a massive discount while supplies last. The Epic 97 isn't just a sewing machine, it's a creative hub with built-in guidance, precision tools, and fabric handling technology that makes any project possible. Let's take a look at what sets it apart. The first thing you'll notice on the Epic Quilt 97 is the 10.1-inch color touchscreen. It's bright, easy to use, and gives you all the control you need to tackle any project. You can swipe, pinch, zoom, and make edits right on the screen, just like a tablet. Everything you need is right in front of you. On the touchscreen, you will find the Stitch Creator, which allows you to design a 9mm wide stitch completely from scratch, or edit one of the many built-in stitches for a truly personalized result. What makes it especially powerful is the live preview. You can see your custom stitch appear on the screen in real time as you build or modify it. This gives you control and instant feedback so you can create exactly the look you want without all the guesswork. You can also use the on-screen keyboard to type letters and words for putting personalized messages and names directly onto your project. What makes the Epic Quilt 97 special isn't just the power or size, it's how it helps you quilt smarter. Another standout feature is sewing projection. This lets you preview your stitch directly onto the fabric before you sew. You can also project guidelines, angles, and adjustable grids to perfectly align your projects. It's an easy way to save time, avoid mistakes, and keep that seam ripper in your drawer and away from your project. Speaking of quilting smarter, the JoyOS Advisor is here to help. You just tell the machine what type of fabric you're using, what you're trying to do. It automatically adjusts your stitch settings, tension, foot pressure, and more to fully set up your machine for any project. The JoyOS Advisor acts as your guide, and it walks you through each step of the project, suggests ideal settings based on your fabric and technique, and explains what each adjustment does. It's an expert tool designed to remind you how you did that one technique 3 projects ago and you can't quite remember how you did it. On top of all of the technology built into this machine, it also has the strength and stability to match. This machine comes equipped with integrated dual feed technology, which feeds the fabric from both top and bottom at the same time. Whether you're working on a quilt sandwich, tricky stretch fabric, or layered textures, the fabric stays smooth and even on top and bottom without needing a bulky walking foot. The machine can also detect fabric thickness and will automatically adjust the presser foot pressure to an ideal setting so transitions between different fabric layers are smooth and consistent. No matter how big, detailed, or complex your next project is, the Epic Quilt 97 is ready. These machines are an incredible deal for someone serious about quilting, and they won't last long. If you've been waiting for the right moment to step up to something truly special, this is it. You can shop online at montavillasewing.com to take advantage of this amazing deal, or shop in any of our 4 locations here in the Portland metro area. Click the link in this video to learn more and get yours today.